No matter how clean we are or how tidy we are, most times we clean our surfaces, we tend to forget some places to clean. In this video, I will be sharing with you a few unusual places that we always forget to clean, and just to remind you that we should clean these places whenever we are doing our major cleaning. If you are new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related. So if you love shopping videos, DIY, organization, cleaning videos, tips and tricks, anything for the home, you get it all here. So don't forget to subscribe at the end if you love content like this. Now, the first place that we always tend to forget to clean is behind electronics. Ever move your TV for some reason and you see the amount of dust that are built up behind those televisions? Think about your sound bars, your game system, your speaker boxes. There are so many dust that are built up on those on a daily basis, and we always forget to clean them. Let me know down in the comments if you always remember to clean these spaces. I do forget to clean them sometimes. Like the other day, I was doing my room makeover and I took down the TV just to move around the room, and the amount of dust that was behind the TV, it's a shame. So next time you're cleaning, don't forget to dust behind those electronics. Another place that we always forget to clean as well is our light switch. There are different light switches around the home that we always use. We use them with our hands, whether dirty or clean. We leave from outside, come inside, turn on lights, and we touch those light switches. It's one of the most used places as well that we use that we forget to clean. Get a little wipes or a cloth and just wipe off that surface. You can use a vinegar, you can use it to bleacher, so you would be ashamed of the amount of dirt that come off your switches. So don't forget to clean your light switches the next time you're cleaning. And since I mentioned light switch, when last have you cleaned your overhead light? It can be a socket, it can be a fixture, a light fixture, it can be a chandelier, it can be a ceiling fan. Let me know when last you have cleaned those stuff. Sometimes we clean the whole room, and when you look up you might see a cobweb or something. Please remember to always clean those surfaces. They built up a lot of dust, and sometimes they can have cobwebs as well, because I do see it now and then. So try to clean your light fixtures around the home. Just like light switches, your door handles are always touched. Every day we touch a door or some door in our home, so the door handles are always dirty. We should always try to use some antibacterial wipes or some cloth or something to give those some wipe down every now and then. They are most used item in the home, and we just want to ensure that they are always clean. Tell me when last have you cleaned your doorknobs? And since I mentioned door, above your doorknobs and so where you open the door, there a lot of times it's always dirty. So try to get a cloth as well and wipe down those doors. Since I mentioned the doorknob, your door is a place that we always forget to clean. Yes, we can always wipe down our doors. So next time you're cleaning, don't forget to clean your doors and your doorknob. Another place that we forget to clean sometimes are our headboard, our legs of the bed, our baseboards. Those stuff we always forget to clean. My headboard here, when I was switching it around the other day, sometimes just wiping your hand on it, I can show you just now. This was cleaned when? This was cleaned December the 24th. And just to show you, look at my hands. Your door, your bed head, above your bed, your legs of the bed, those are places we always forget to clean. Let us all try to remember those places, because sometimes we have little sinus issues and so on. We don't realize that it's the dust that we're sleeping with. So the legs of the bed, the baseboard, your bed head and so, always remember to wipe them down. I do wipe down mine most times when I'm making my bed. So this is something that I always try to remember to clean, but don't forget to do it. Since I mentioned your TV and your game set, your remote and your game controls are other items we forget to clean at time. Let me know when last you clean your game control. Let me know when last you wipe down that remote. I can't remember when last I do wipe down the remote for true. Yeah, for true, I don't remember when last. Those are things we always forget to clean. I did mention this in a video recently. Things that we should clean every 3 months, every 4 months, every week and so. And we always forget to clean our washing machine and dryer. Did you know that you can tub clean your washing machine? Put some water in it with some vinegar. I never do that yet. I have my washing machine for years. The only thing I do is remove the links and so. So I definitely need to follow this rule and go and clean my washing machine. Let me know down in the comment how often you clean your washing machine and your dishwasher. They accumulate a lot of lint and so, and sometimes it just need a tub clean with some vinegar, or they sell washing machine cleaners, some little pods that you put into the water and give it that wash into with the pod. So let me know down in the comment if you clean your washer and how often you clean it. Another thing we forget to clean. We do clean our bathroom every week, but how often do we wipe down the base of our toilet? Most time we clean inside the toilet seat, the top of the toilet, but that base, how often do you clean it? That is one place we always tend to forget to clean, and we should always try to remember some of these stuff that we don't clean. When you clean your bathroom and you say, oh, in here still smells so bad, or oh, in here this, or oh, in here that, those are some forgotten places that we don't clean that needs to be cleaned. So next time you're cleaning your bathroom, don't forget to clean your toilet base. Since I'm in the bathroom again, some things that we forget to clean is the faucet, the sink, the base of the sink. Some of us forget to clean that. Next time you're cleaning your sink, remember to wipe down those parts of it. And if it's a vanity, don't forget to wipe down the doors, the handles, and those sections. And since we're in the bathroom again, your shower head. When last have you cleaned your shower head? Instead of just wiping it down, you can just get a clear bag with vinegar and baking soda, tie the bag onto the shower head, and you can always get those mucks and to remove those clogged areas into the shower head. So don't forget to do that the next time. Another place we forget to clean is the toilet and toothbrush holder. So the toilet brush that we keep the brush in when we clean, those stuff we forget to clean. We just use it, put it there. There are some persons that keep like disinfectant into the container, so when the brush come out it is already disinfected. But how often do we remember to clean it? Most time it's on the weekend when we may be cleaning the bathroom or so, but those stuff, the holder itself needs to be cleaned. Even the toothbrush holder, you ever take up a toothbrush holder that is just used there, and when you look, you see some little mosquito layers there. Well, that is the fact that it's harboring mosquito and it's not clean. So those stuff need to be cleaned very often. Another place that we forget to clean, since I mentioned headboard and so, is our mattresses and mattress protectors. Take off your mattress protector, give it a wash. Also your mattresses, remove your sheet, open up it into the sunlight. If you can carry it outside to get some sunlight, that is even better. Throw some baking soda on it, vacuum up back that baking soda. If you can put some little essential oils, those are things that keep your mattresses fresh and clean and to prevent bed bugs as well. So try to do those to keep your mattresses and your mattress protectors clean. And last but not least is under your furniture. How often do we move up the furniture pieces, clean behind it and clean underneath it? Instead of just giving it that random sweep on them up on the weekend, sometimes we need to move away those stuff, give it a deep clean. Those stuff prevent the dust and so inside our home. If you love this video, please comment down below what you think I should have added, and let me know what you think you forget to clean as well. Let me know if you agree or disagree with some of these stuff that I share. And thank you again for watching this video. If you love this video, you will love the next video on screen. So I will see you over there after you subscribe.